Hello brothers and sisters, welcome to your 20th tutorial on HTML and CSS. In the previous tutorial, you learned HTML colors. In this tutorial, you will learn HTML and CSS comments. So, let's get started. Okay guys, comments are used to explain the code, right? When you are coding a large project, it will be hard for you to remember what a certain section of code does. So, when you comment your code, it helps you to edit it in the future, or it helps the other developers to understand what is happening in your code. Alright? Comments are not displayed in the browser. Let me write a comment here. So, to comment in an HTML document, what you do, you open this angle bracket, an exclamation mark, 2 dashes or more, and then write the comment here. Alright? This one now is a comment. It will not be displayed whatsoever. What if you want to write multi-line comment? All you do is press enter and then you write the other lines of comments here. You can write anything here. Alright? As many lines as you can. Alright? CSS comment can be added by this syntax here. / asterisk, and then write your comment here. And then asterisk / This one is how you comment in a CSS. What about multi-line comment? You just do the same. Bring this one down here. And then write more lines here. Okay? You can comment anywhere in the CSS. Let's say here you want to comment this. Say div background. So this one is just a comment. It will not be displayed on the browser. You can see now. Let me save all this, and then I will refresh my page. You can see none of them is shown here. Everything you put as a comment will not be displayed in the browser. That's it for this tutorial, guys. In the next tutorial, you will learn CSS background. I know this is already a background, but there are other types of background that you will learn. So I will see you there.